Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's quilling tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful quilled daffodil, perfect for adding a pop of color to any paper craft project. So grab your quilling tool, some colorful paper strips, and let's get started. Materials needed: yellow and white paper strips for petals, the orange paper strips for trumpet, glue, scissors, slotted quilling tool, tweezer, quilling mold. Cut a 1mm strips of quilling paper with 11" in length. Begin rolling the paper tightly around the tool. Keep the roll as tight as possible, making sure the paper wraps neatly around itself. Once you've rolled up the strip, gently slide it off the quilling tool. Hold the coil in place and let it relax slightly. It may naturally expand a little. You can use a small dab of glue to secure the end of the paper to prevent the coil from unrolling. Add a generous amount of glue at the back of the coil to prevent it from losing its shape. Once the coil is dried, shape it into an eye shape. Pinch the ends to form pointed tips. And then gently press and roll the edges of the petal around the tool or your finger. This will give the petal a natural curve. Repeat this process for all 6 petals, shaping each one the same way. Now repeat the process from the start, but using white paper strips this time. Arrange the 6 petals in a triangular formation, and glue them together to form the outer part of the flower. Overlap the petals and glue them together to complete the look on the outer part of the flower. Take 2 3mm orange strips of paper and create a tight coil. Press the coil onto the quilling molds, shaping it like a cone. Once you've shaped it into a cone, add generous amount of glue inside the cone to retain its shape. Once the trumpet shape is dried, gently pinch the top of the trumpet and shape it like a crown. Finally, attach the orange trumpet shape at the center of the petals, ensuring it is glued securely. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell for more updates. See you in the next one. Stay creative and keep crafting. God bless you.